come back to ActiveCampaign and make sure that you put your address here. So you come to settings, you go to addresses, and you add an address because you are required to have one when you will be sending emails. Okay. And then we go to lists and we want to create new list. So create your own list and you can put here the name of your course and free training, because this is going to be list for leads that we generate from our application funnel when people sign up for our free training, right? So you add new list just like that, and we also want to set up a customer list. So customers, right, that actually purchase our course. Here you want to put your domain, and remind people why they're receiving this email. You purchased our awesome course XYZ, right? And now what we have to do, we need to integrate your ClickFunnels account with ActiveCampaign. So you log into your ClickFunnels account and you come to account settings and you go to integrations and you add new integration, and you can search for it, but it's like the first one here. So you click on it and now you can call it whatever you want. You can just put ActiveCampaign because it's the name of the software, right? And now, so we need to grab this API key. So we go back to ActiveCampaign, we go to settings, and we go to developer. We grab this key here and put it here. And we also need URL, so we copy URL and put it here. Add integration. Boom, success.